Hey YouTube, I couldn't wait anymore. I decided to, I don't want to upload this, but this isn't very long after I uploaded the last one. I decided to break this now. I couldn't wait. So, yeah. Here we go. Let's get into this. If you didn't see my 2011, I got a 2011 box also. Here's the recap, I guess, going from worst to best. Yeah. Actually, the hits got better each time. The first one was a Jonathan Baldwin. AFC out of 99. Yep. Then Leonard Hankerson, numbers jersey, number 85 out of 50. We get this Christian Ponder jersey auto out of 49. And the last one was this Alex Green patch auto. You can see the stitching there, the two colors. Patch auto out of 25. So that's really nice. So let's get into 2012. Hopefully we got some mojo in here. For something big, if I can get it open. Oh, okay. Got the 4 right here, and we'll start opening them. Yeah, I need scissors. Whatever, we'll open this one at a time. Here's a Spectrum auto. This is the first. Yeah, I was going to mention about the 2011 box. It didn't have a single Spectrum auto. I got all jerseys and stuff like that, and all good players, all the main players from last year. This is a patch, I think. Oh, it's super thick jersey, although it looks like patch, so I can go last. I was sad about. Oh, no, what am I saying? I did pull a patch from last year's. I pulled the Alex Green patch auto. Yeah. Still trying to open this. And there's this one. This one looks like jersey. Same thickness as that one, so I'll just put that one. They could both be patch, they could both be jersey, I don't know. So this is taking a little while. And this is a Spectrum auto. So this one will go first, I guess. Since this is Spectrum. I do see Greg Jennings in the back, so that's pretty cool. I love Jennings. He had a return yesterday. He had a touchdown on Sunday. It was nice. And I just ripped this open without actually opening the pack. That was smart. Oh no, I did open it. Okay, just a little bit. These absolute packs are annoying to open. Okay. So where is it? 2 from the back. And I'll take something to slow roll. I'll take this random card from 2011 to slow roll. Got Vincent Jackson, Greg Jennings, Percy Harvin, Steve Smith Spectrum. This is numbered out of. This is numbered to 50. And then here we go. Which way is this going? This is going this way. Okay. Who is this? Spectrum. Ryan Lindley. Oh, that's not too bad. Could have been worse. Numbered out of 299. Ryan Lindley auto. I mean, if it's going to be Spectrum, it could have been worse. Okay, that's that. Next one is going to be, hopefully it's not a double rookie box. Hopefully I get a veteran here. We all hope for that. So I'll slow roll with the same card. Roy Halou Jr., Brandon Marshall, Matthew Stafford. Spectrum is Jared Allen. Which way is it going to go? Which way is it going to go? It's gonna go this way. I think it's a Packer. Greg Little. Not a rookie, but not too bad. This is numbered out of 25. Oh, I guess it's the platinum version. So again, not too bad at all. Hopefully, I get an RG3 somewhere in the last 2 packs. Or Andrew Luck, actually. I'm looking for Andrew Luck more. Which one's heavier? This one's heavier with the D'Angelo Williams, so I'll go with the Golden Tate first. Okie dokie. Take that. Slow roll with the Virgil Green again. And slow rolling with the same card for this box. So here we go. Vernon Davis, Mark Sanchez, Golden Tate. Who's this? LeVon Brazil. Where is this one going? Oh, I see blue. That's all I see. I think it's going this way. Let's see. Who's it going to be? Please don't be Joe Adams. I'll slow roll from the top. Oh, okay. It's Giants. Wait, what? Who is this? Oh, Ruben Randall. Alright. Is this patch or jersey? I can't see. Jersey auto out of 299. Not the greatest. Alright. Last one's fat though, so I think it's a patch auto, hopefully. Hopefully it's a patch auto. Let's pray it's a patch auto. I would be happy if it was. I haven't even been looking at the Spectrums. What are those numbered to? LeVon Brazil is numbered to 399. The Jared Allen is numbered to 100. That was my first Spectrum. The first Spectrum was this Steve Smith out of 50. So that's that. And last pack, guys. Let's hope it's a good one. Let's hope it is a good one. Okay. I think it's patch. Can't tell for sure, but hoping. Okay. We got Greg Little, non-autograph version. Tom Brady. D'Angelo Williams. Spectrum card is Evan Rodriguez. Which way is this going? Okay, let's see. I think that's Justin Blackman. Yep, that's Blackman. I just don't know what kind of card it is. Stargazing. Blackman. Be it an auto. Just patch. Alright. That's okay, I guess. Justin Blackman Stargazing patch out of 49. Oh, 14 of 49. eBay 1 of 1. It's the jersey number. I was hoping it was an auto. Hoping every single card in this was autoed, but no such luck. Still a sick patch right there. That's 3 colors. That's actually my second Justin Blackman patch. So I think the 2011 box was better. The 2012 was kind of a dud. Ryan Lindley auto out of 399. Greg Little auto out of 25. Ruben Randall jersey auto out of 299. And the Justin Blackman patch out of 14 of 49. eBay 1 of 1. So these are my 8 hits, guys. You saw them at the beginning. So yeah, I won't go through all of them. But let me know what you guys think. And thank you. This will probably get uploaded sometime later. So goodbye, beautiful people. And too bad there was no Luck or RG3.